Unit 1, Lesson 4. When looking at the real number system, we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Irrational numbers is this box. Our rational and irrational numbers make up our real number system. When classifying numbers, we're always trying to find that smallest box in which a number would fit into. If I looked at the number 11, 11 is a natural number because it's a counting number. So it would start in a natural number. So I would say 11 is a natural number, it's a whole number, it's an integer, and it's rational. And if it's all of these things, then it's also a real number. If I looked at a number such as -7, well, -7 doesn't fit in our counting numbers. It doesn't fit in our whole numbers, but it starts at our integers. So then we would start with integer and rational number, and then it's also a real number. 0 is not a part of our natural numbers, but it is a part of our whole numbers. So that's where it would start at whole, integer, rational, and then a real number. There's very few numbers that are irrational. If I looked at pi, I would say, well, it's an irrational number and it's a real number. Notice that numbers can either be rational or irrational. They can't be both. So I can't have an integer and an irrational number. If I have an integer, it's also a rational number.